Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 16. We present rules of origin of chocolate product, which is import to Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tengku Nadatul Husna binti Tengku Azman Shah and my number metric is S6563. In this video, we will talk about rules of origin. So, to begin, what is rules of origin? Rules of origin are the criteria needed to determine the national source of a product. Their importance comes into play in international trade as they are used to implement measures and policies such as tariff, quotas, and trade statistics. There are two types of rules of origin. The first one is preferential ROO applied to free trade agreement offering benefits like reduced tariff, while non-preferential ROO applied to measures like most favored nation tariff and anti-dumping duties. Criteria for origin include being wholly obtained or substantially transformed in a country. Exporters must provide documentation such as certificates of origin to prove compliance. Some FTAs allow cumulation where product processes in member countries retain originator status. The de minimis rules permit small amounts of non-originating materials, and the direct transfer rule requires goods to be shipped directly between FTA countries. So, understanding ROO ensures business can benefit from trade agreements and proper tariff application.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nofaranisha binti Zulkifli with metric number S67699. Next, I will continue with product introduction. Our group has chosen a chocolate product which is Cadbury brand. This Cadbury chocolate is a rule of origin product from England. Cadbury is a famous chocolate brand based in England where the entire main production process takes place. Cocoa bean from West Africa, where the main resource of cocoa is West Africa, such as Ghana and the Ivory Coast, which are the largest producer of cocoa in the world. Meanwhile, milk from England, the milk used in the production of Cadbury chocolate, come from dairy farm in England to ensure consistent quality and availability of raw material. Next, the Harmonized System HS Code. HS Code is an international standard system of names and numbers used to classify trade products. Developed and maintained by the World Customs Organization (WCO), HS codes are used by custom authorities, statistical agencies, and other government regulatory bodies around the world to ensure uniform classification of goods, facilitating international trade. Therefore, every import product will have a harmonized system HS code. For this chocolate product, the code is HS code 18069010. The harmonic system is chocolate code and chocolate product. Next, I will continue with tariff and quota. First is tariff. Malaysia set import duty tariff for a wide range of products, including chocolate. This tariff can vary according to the product classification according to the harmonized system HS code. Under Free Trade Agreement (FTA), such as the Asian Free Trade Area (AFTA) and bilateral agreement between Malaysia and other countries, tariff can be reduced or eliminated if the product meets the rule of origin seen within the agreement. Chocolate is usually classified under HS code 1806, so the tariff change may vary according to the type and form of chocolate, such as bar, powder, and liquid. Second is quota. In addition to tariff, Malaysia can also set quota or quantitative limit to control the amount of chocolate import. However, so far there is no indication that Malaysia will impose a specific quota on chocolate import. Although the quota may not be used, the essential product must comply with food safety standard and other regulations set by the Malaysia Food Act and food regulations. This includes standards for food additional labeling and packaging. For example, halal certification to ensure comply with Sharia required, considering the majority of Malaysians are Muslim.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Hajar binti Anwar. My matrix number is S66818. So I will continue with the process of producing chocolate. Okay, firstly, imported ingredients, okay, which is cocoa beans and other ingredients come into the England for chocolate making. The next process is processing criteria, which is imported cocoa beans must undergo significant processing like roasting, grinding, refining, and conching to qualify as England origin under trade agreements. The next process is value addition, which is these processes add substantial value, transforming raw cocoa into finished chocolate products that meet strict rules of origin. The next process is compliance documentation, which is detailed records on ingredient origin and processing are vital. They ensure adherence to trade agreement rules and facilitate custom compliance. And the last one is customs compliance, which is chocolate makers must meet customs regulations accurately, declaring origin and processing details to facilitate smooth international trade. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira binti Muhammad Rafai. My matric number is S66105. Today I would like to talk about several benefits for importing chocolate Cadbury into Malaysia. The first benefit is we are getting high quality and standard of chocolate, which is Cadbury that are known for their high quality and standard. So by importing Cadbury chocolate, Malaysian consumer gain access to high quality product that meet international standard. This increases product choice for consumer and allow them to enjoy premium chocolate product. The second benefit is we are getting technology and knowledge transfer. Importing Cadbury product can lead to transfer the technology and knowledge to the local chocolate industry. Through collaboration with Cadbury, local product can learn better manufacturing and processing technique, improving their quality of local product. The third benefit is economic growth and job opportunity. The import of Cadbury chocolate can contribute in Malaysian economy through import taxes and related business activity. Additionally, it can create job opportunity in the retail and logistics sector as well as other sector involved in the chocolate supply chain.
And my matric number is SCA058. Today I want to explain about the challenge of rules of origin for Cadbury products entering Malaysia. The Malaysian market presents a significant opportunity for Cadbury, a global confectionery giant. However, navigating the import process can be complicated, particularly when considering the challenge of rules of origin. Firstly, qualifying for preferential tariff. Malaysia has free trade agreements (FTAs) with various countries. If Cadbury products are manufactured in a country with an FTA with Malaysia, they might qualify for lower or zero tariff. However, meeting the rules of origin under the specific FTA is crucial. These rules define whether a product can be considered originating from a particular country and thus benefits from preferential treatment. Secondly, substantial transformation. FTAs often require import goods to undergo substantial transformation within the exporting country to be considered originating. This means the product must be significantly modified from its original state. For Cadbury products, this could involve using a certain percentage of locally sourced ingredients or undergoing specific manufacturing process. And lastly, documentation and verification. Companies importing Cadbury products need to provide proper documentation proving the products meet the rules of origin. This might involve invoice, certificates, or statements from the exporter. Next is chances for Cadbury overcoming rules of origin challenges in Malaysia. Despite the challenges posed by rules of origin, Cadbury has a good chance of successfully navigating the import process into Malaysia. Firstly, global supply chain. Cadbury has a well-established global supply chain with experience in complying with various trade regulations. They can leverage this experience to adapt their manufacturing process to meet Malaysian FTA requirements. Secondly, strong relationships. Cadbury likely has strong relationships with suppliers in various countries. And lastly, transparency measures. Large companies like Cadbury often have robust quality control and documentation system in place. This facilitates the tracking of ingredients and manufacturing process, making it easier to provide the necessary documentation for Malaysian customs. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.